7 innovative travel gadgets seniors need in 2025. Hello and welcome. Today, we're counting down 7 innovative travel gadgets that seniors need in 2025. These clever gadgets will make your adventures easier, safer, and a lot more fun. We'll go from number 7 all the way to number 1, so stick around to see our top pick. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more senior-friendly travel tips and tech. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started with our list. 7. Noise-canceling headphones for peace and quiet. Trying to sleep on a plane beside a crying baby or chatty neighbor can be exhausting. For seniors who value peace, noise-canceling headphones are a travel essential. Over half of long-haul passengers use earplugs or noise-blocking headsets to rest better. These headphones use advanced tech to filter out sounds like jet engines or chatter, creating a calm, quiet space. With less noise, you arrive less tired and stressed. You can enjoy music or audiobooks at a lower volume, and many models, like Bose Quiet Comfort or Sony, are wireless, with 20 to 30 hours of battery life. Features like Aware Mode let you still hear important announcements without removing them, so you won't miss boarding calls or the snack cart. They're especially useful for seniors sensitive to noise or who struggle to sleep in new places. Comfortable designs work well with glasses or hearing aids, and some earbuds also offer noise cancellation. Think of them as a soft travel pillow for your ears, turning crowded flights into near-zen experiences. Add your favorite playlist, and even a busy airplane can feel like your own peaceful escape. Your future self will thank you. And yes, you can enjoy Barry Manilow uninterrupted at 30,000 feet. 6. Anti-theft travel bag for security. Pickpockets are an unfortunate reality, and seniors can be easy targets, making an anti-theft bag a smart travel investment. These bags pack hidden security features like slash-proof straps, lockable zippers, and RFID blocking pockets to protect cards and passports. Think of them as bodyguards for your valuables, without the bulky entourage. Brands like PackSaf and XD Design offer stylish options from crossbody purses to roomy backpacks that don't look like security gear. PackSaf's MetroSafe, for example, hides a steel mesh in the fabric to prevent cuts, while zippers clip in place to stop quick hands. Metal wiring in the straps prevents thieves from slicing them, and RFID blocking lining keeps electronic skimmers out. They're not just secure, they're convenient with organized compartments for phones, glasses, medication, and more. You get easy access to your belongings while keeping strangers out. Unlike money belts or underclothing pouches, they're comfortable for daily use. Whether you're in a crowded market or a busy airport, an anti-theft bag means less worry and more focus on your trip. If a pickpocket tries their luck, they'll be met with frustration. Keep your valuables close and your bag closer for safer, stress-free travels. 5. Portable language translator. Struggling to recall high school French or resorting to charades for directions? By 2025, handheld language translators have become must-have travel tools for seniors. These devices translate speech in real time across dozens of languages and can read text on signs or menus via a built-in camera, like having a pocket-sized interpreter. Top models support over 100 languages, covering roughly 90% of the global population. Just speak into the device, and it instantly plays your phrase in the listener's language, then translates their reply back to you. Large touchscreens with bold text help those with hearing issues, while some versions come as earbuds or smart pens. Using AI and internet connectivity, these translators deliver highly accurate results. Many include global SIM cards with free lifetime data, working anywhere without hunting for Wi-Fi, and offer offline mode for remote areas. They boost confidence, independence, and safety, whether asking directions in Paris or haggling in Bangkok. No more accidental mystery meals, unless you want them, and they can even help you learn phrases along the way. A portable translator unlocks richer travel experiences and genuine connections. No pantomime required, just smooth, clear communication wherever you roam. 4. Bluetooth trackers and smart tags. If you often misplace keys, wallets, or passports, especially while traveling, Bluetooth trackers like Apple AirTag, Tile, or Samsung SmartTag can be lifesavers. These small devices attach to your valuables and link to your smartphone, showing their location on a map. If nearby, you can make the tag play a sound, If farther away, networks like Apple's ping other devices to update its location. They became especially popular after the 2022 travel chaos, when over 2.8 million checked bags in the US were lost, delayed, or stolen in 2023. Trackers help recover items quickly, turning potential disasters into minor hiccups. Some passport wallets even have built-in slots for AirTags, letting you track them like James Bond, minus the car chase. For seniors, these tags offer peace of mind. Whether it's medication pouches, luggage, or glasses cases, you'll know exactly where they are. Some even alert you if you leave something behind, like a backpack after a picnic. Easy to set up and always on guard, Bluetooth trackers are a small, affordable tool for big travel reassurance. Just remember, they're for belongings, not spouses, unless they approve. 3. Smart luggage that moves on its own. Imagine stepping into the airport and having your suitcase follow you like a loyal pet, or even giving you a ride to the gate. That's the reality of today's smart luggage, a futuristic travel solution perfect for seniors tired of dragging heavy bags. Some models, like the Airheel SE3, use ultra-wideband UWB sensors and cameras to lock onto a tracker you carry. They roll along behind you hands-free, automatically dodging people and obstacles, adjusting speed to match your pace. It's like having your own personal porter, no tip required. Many even feature GPS tracking, USB charging ports, and TSA-approved locks you can open with your fingerprint or an app. Then there are the rideable models, such as the Airheel SE3. Designed with seniors in mind, this carry-on transforms into a mini scooter, zipping along at up to 10 kilometers per hour, 6 miles per hour. Built from sturdy aluminum, it supports riders up to 110 kilograms, 240 plus pounds. Steering is simple. Just pop up the handlebar, use the throttle, and brake when needed. When you're done, it folds into a standard carry-on that fits in overhead bins. Batteries are airline compliant and removable. And yes, they can charge your phone too. For travelers who get fatigued walking long distances, think from the terminal entrance to gate 89B. This is a game-changing convenience. It saves your energy for sightseeing rather than lugging baggage, and it's a conversation starter. Sure, people might laugh, but many will secretly want one. Available now, not just as prototypes. Smart luggage is pricier than standard cases, but the comfort, mobility, and fun they offer are unmatched. From steamer trunks to self-driving carry-ons, travel gear has come a long way. For seniors seeking independence and ease, this could be the ultimate travel upgrade. 2. Foldable mobility scooter. Maintaining mobility is key to enjoying travel at any age. For some of us seniors, walking long distances or standing for extended periods can be challenging, but that shouldn't stop us from seeing the world. Portable mobility scooters have come a long way. Nowadays, you can get a lightweight travel scooter that folds up compactly to fit in a car trunk or even as airline baggage. It's like having your own magic carpet with wheels that you can bring on your trip. Modern travel scooters are designed for convenience. Many models fold with the push of a button automatically. Imagine, you arrive at your hotel and with one touch, your scooter folds or unfolds itself, ready to ride in seconds. Some break apart into a few pieces that are easy to lift if you prefer that. They typically weigh around 50 pounds or less in total and can support riders of 250 to 300 pounds, 113 to 136 kilograms, depending on the model. Despite being small, they are quite capable. A good scooter can go about 3.5 to 4 miles per hour, walking speed, and cover roughly 7 to 10 miles on a charge. For instance, the EV Rider Transport AF4 is a popular auto-folding scooter with a 10-mile range and top speed of 4 miles per hour, perfect for a full day of sightseeing or navigating a large resort. Many are even airline approved, meaning their battery meets the requirements for bringing on a plane, so you can check them in or sometimes roll up to the gate. What's great is how independent they make you. If walking from the hotel to the shopping district is too far, just ride the scooter. Going through a museum or a theme park, a scooter keeps you from getting exhausted or needing to search for a bench every 10 minutes. When you encounter steps or need to hop on a tour bus, you can fold it up and handle it. Some are like a small suitcase when folded, with wheels to drag. For those who use a wheelchair daily, a travel scooter can be a more convenient alternative on trips. And for those who normally get by without assistance, it can be a nice backup for especially demanding days. Think of it as travel insurance for your legs. Safety and ease of use are top priorities in these gadgets. They usually have simple controls, just a throttle lever to go and brakes that automatically engage when you let go. Three-wheel designs offer agility in tight spaces, while four-wheel designs give more stability. Either way, they're engineered to not tip on gentle slopes or turns. Battery indicators, horn, even LED headlights for crossing that dark cobblestone street at night. They have a lot of thoughtful features. And don't worry about looking out of place. These scooters are quite common now at tourist sites, and many seniors and people of various ages use them. You might even start a trend among your friends when they see how much ground you can cover with ease. Ultimately, a foldable mobility scooter empowers you to keep exploring on your own terms. Age or mobility limitations fade a bit into the background when you've got wheels. Instead of sitting out an activity, you lead the way. It's innovative not because scooters are new, but because their portability and battery tech have improved so much that they truly fit into a travel lifestyle in 2025. They're all about convenience, which is exactly what we want. So, if your legs say, "I can't walk another museum haul," you can reply, "No worries, let's ride," and keep the adventure going. 1. Smartwatch with health and safety features. We've saved the best for last. This isn't just any watch, it's like having a tiny nurse, navigator, and secretary on your wrist. For senior travelers, a good smartwatch, like an Apple Watch or similar, is an indispensable travel companion in 2025. Why? Because it can do everything from monitoring your heart rate and oxygen levels to detecting if you've fallen and calling for help, all while also showing you the time in Paris and reminding you of your dinner reservation. Health monitoring is a huge benefit. These watches can track your heart rate, ECG, blood oxygen, and even alert you to irregular heart rhythms. Long flight and feeling a bit off? A quick glance can tell you if your heart rate is elevated. Feeling dizzy on a hike? The watch can check your blood O2. It's like a mini checkup on demand. This helps you travel with confidence, especially if you have a condition you want to keep an eye on. You can also share this data with a family member or doctor if needed. But the real lifesaver is fall detection and SOS features. 1 in 3 seniors over 65 takes a serious fall each year. And that's at home. On the road, a fall in an unfamiliar place can be even scarier. A smartwatch can sense a hard fall. Say you slip in the hotel bathroom or on a hike trail. It will immediately tap you and display an alert. If you don't respond within, say, 60 seconds, it will automatically call emergency services and send your location to them and to an emergency contact. There are many documented cases of this literally saving lives. It's the high-tech equivalent of the old "I've fallen and I can't get up" alert pendant, but built right into something you're already wearing. Plus, unlike those pendants, a smartwatch is stylish and multifunctional, so more seniors are willing to wear it 24/7. Beyond emergencies, smartwatches offer daily conveniences that shine during travel. You can get text messages and map directions on your wrist, so you're not constantly fumbling for a phone in the street. Many watches let you load your boarding pass or hotel key, and you just scan your wrist. Very handy when juggling luggage. Need a reminder to take your 2 p.m. medication while out touring? Your watch can gently ping you so you never miss a dose. Some even have international features, like an app that shows your phrase in the local language. If you're traveling with family, features like location sharing can let your kids know you're okay, or vice versa, without having to call. And let's not forget fitness tracking. It's actually fun to see how many steps you racked up walking around the Louvre. It counts as exercise. Modern smartwatches are also water resistant and durable, so no worries if you're caught in the rain or take a tumble into the resort pool. Battery life can last a full day or more, and they charge quickly. You can top it up during a lunch break. They come in various models and price points, but the key is to get one with the safety sensors. The Apple Watch series, Samsung Galaxy Watch, Garmin, and others have options tailored for health tracking. Some even detect if your heart rate is too low or high at rest and alert you. It's like wearing a guardian angel that's also a personal tour guide. For many seniors, a smartwatch becomes a comfort blanket on the road. You feel connected and protected. It encourages independence because you know if anything happens, you have a direct line to help. As the #1 gadget, it truly encapsulates innovation meeting practical need. It's incredible to think how much functionality is packed into something on your wrist. From telling time, in dual time zones no less, to potentially saving your life, that's a gadget worth having. There you have it. 7 fantastic travel gadgets that can make 2025 the year of stress-free, enjoyable adventures for seniors. From keeping your environment quiet, your belongings secure, breaking language barriers, tracking what matters, giving your luggage a mind of its own, helping you get around, to safeguarding your health. These innovations cover it all. Travel is one of life's greatest joys, and age shouldn't hold us back from exploring. With a little tech assist, we can roam farther and more confidently than ever before. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on traveling smarter at any age. Don't hesitate to share this with fellow travel enthusiasts. Whether they're 65 or 25, these gadgets can improve anyone's journey, but especially us young at heart folks. Drop a comment about which gadget you're most excited to try, or if you have a recommendation of your own. We'd love to hear your experiences and ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Here's to many happy, safe, and innovative travels ahead. Until next time, happy travels and stay curious. Bon voyage. Subscribe and join our community for more travel inspiration and tech tips. Safe travels.